Hello student, today I am going to take your literature class, chapter number 4, a poem. The name of the poem is Hello, I am a wheelchair. Before I start explaining the poem, I want to say something about the poet. The poem is written by Sarah Ismail. Sarah Ismail, who is a physically disabled writer and blogger living in UK. She has a huge collection of poem whatever she has written all about several disability issues. Now let's read the poem What a Wheelchair Has to Say. Hello, I am a wheelchair and my name is Vicky. At least that is the name of the girl who steers me. In this stanza, the wheelchair is speaking about itself and about a disabled girl. And the name of the girl is Vicky. The girl who is unable to move or can do any activity without the help of her wheelchair. The girl who steers me, that means the girl who sit on the wheelchair and control the movement of the wheelchair. As she wheels me down the street, she dreams of standing on her feet. So these lines are saying that the girl Vicky, who is unable to move, if she want to move, she has to take the help of the wheelchair. So she wheels down the street with the help of the wheelchair. So living with such a disability is very painful and pathetic, but Vicky is very courageous and hopeful girl. The look on her face you don't see. You are too busy looking at me. So here these two lines are saying about the people, the society, who cannot see her bright, smiley face, her strong willpower. We are only busy looking at her wheelchair, at her disability. She gives you a smile so true, but you don't see that you do. The smile on her face you don't see, you are too busy looking at me. Here again, Vicky greets everyone with a hearty smile, but they least bother about her lively nature, but all are busy looking at her disability, at her wheelchair, which make her feel that she is helpless, incapable, inactive and unfortunate. Hello, I am a wheelchair and I am steered by Vicky, a girl who would so much rather be climbing a tall tree. Again, the wheelchair is saying that the wheelchair is steered by Vicky, and the girl who has a strong willpower, she never think about her disability, but she always has that strong willpower, strong desire to stand on her own feet and also be climbing a tall tree. So when you meet my best friend, look closer and you will see. Here the wheelchair is telling it that Vicky and the wheelchair are the best companion to each other. Wheelchair is saying that Vicky is very precious to her wheelchair. If we the people go close to her, we can see the real picture of the disabled girl, that what kind of girl she has. She is very enthusiastic, She has very strong willpower. She has a strong desire. Without her, where would I be? Parked in a garage. That is where, watching you climb a tree. So here wheelchair is telling that in the absence of Vicky, wheelchair is nothing. In the absence of Vicky, wheelchair is nothing. In absence of Vicky, might be wheelchair parked in a garage. When you see me and Vicky, there is one thing you don't see. I could not move without her, and any more than she would move without me. Again, the wheelchair is saying here that they are the best friend, they are the best companion, they both depend on each other. Without wheelchair, Vicky cannot move, and without Vicky, the wheelchair cannot move. So, through this stanza, the wheelchair conveys a message that a disabled person can inspire and motivate others with his immense willpower. So, through this poem, the poet also conveys the message that we must treat disabled person with respect. We must not let them feel unworthy. So, through this poem, we understood that all are equally important to us. Hope the poem is clear to you, student. So now it is your turn to memorize the poem with the proper punctuation. Thank you.